Hey guys, Coach here. Hey, taking a look at something. I think if you want something in a container, you want something out on a patio, you want to bring in that tropical look to your landscape, I'm going to introduce you the Pygmy Date Palm. I used to have these up in Northern California at my house, and I put them in large containers around the pool. And the only thing that I caution you on is if they get down into the mid-20s, they're going to start to tip burn. So if you do have a cold night or something, bring them in under cover, and you can even bring them inside. If you bring them inside, put them in a super bright full sun window, and you can winter them over inside, then put them back outside in spring once the danger of frost is gone. Dwarf Pygmy Date Palm, a fantastic containerized plant. I have never grown them. I have never grown them in the ground. I've only done them in containers, in large pots, 15-gallon size container and bigger, and then you can decorate them down underneath with ground cover or annuals or something like that. But Dwarf Pygmy Date Palm, a fantastic, confidence boosting, hard to kill unless you water it too much. Too much water will tend to make the centers start to die out and they'll start to rot. So deep infrequent watering, probably in the heat of the summer, maybe once a week. Every place will vary a little bit, but that's, I mean, I used to get over 100 degrees and it would still be once a week, I would say. Maybe once every 5 days. Dwarf Pygmy Date Palm. Check it out next time you're at your nursery looking for something. Also for you apartment and condo dwellers, great for out on the patio. Very, very nice looking. Very tropical. Anyway, hey, Coach here. You guys take care. See you next week.